As we know, there is a strong government push to connect more and more renewable generation to our networks across Great Britain in order to facilitate the transition to a low-carbon economy. In April 2015, this was manifesting itself by many projects wishing to connect to the distributed network operators network across mainly the southern part of Britain. It soon became apparent that the normal national grid ways of working in order to facilitate these connections was not going to be sufficient in order to connect the large amount of generation wishing to connect to the distribution networks. Through working together with the developers, the distribution network operators, DEC and Ofgem, we were able to work together to find ways in which we could come up with technical innovation and commercial innovation that allowed the big increase in requests for connections to be managed. This has resulted in over 7 gigawatts of new connections being offered to the distribution network operators, which in turn they can offer to their customers so they can gain the connection that they require in order to meet the renewable policies and subsidies that the government has offered. More work needs to be done to ensure that going forward we can deal with these types of requests and the huge push for renewable generation as part of our day-to-day working practices. This work has been undertaken and has been undertaken through a large team of people from across the system operator and the TOs, liaising and working collaboratively with the DNOs, Ofgem and DEC. This has been a great success in terms of managing cross-functional teams across National Grid and working together and using some of the performance excellence processes in order to drive consistency, be clear on messaging and have a way to track actions and developments as we've gone through the project.